sand in it, please. There you go. Hi, puppy, here.
No, that's in the video.
Hmm? No, it's gonna be okay. Just slowly do it. Look, his eyes. Okay, just like that. Without soap, no soap. Look.
Good
Good boy. Here you go. You have to go in like that. Good boy. You go right in there. Just like that, look. And go like that. And take it out. Good boy. You take a little bit of soap since he's so tiny. There you go, little man.
It's been good.
Yeah. I know. Just a little bit. Can you put more soap in, please?
It's good.
Okay. Okay, let's do it down here.
Good boy.
Always get the broom. Good boy. This does not foam a lot because it's natural. Okay, hang on, pretty. There we go. Come here, it's okay. Come here, up. Get this off.
You gotta do your dance.
Boy. Oh, that's what I did. Okay. I just took my first bath. No. My first bath. I'm a good boy. Good boy. All right, let me one more time. Here you go. Good boy. Are you ready to come out? Yeah, much better. In here? Hang on, you're squishing them. All right, now.